Well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here at Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and you guys are doing fantastic because this is day 22 of our beginning 5K program. So you are rocking it. So let's get moving. All right, well, day 22 also means a new week. This is week 4, and it means a workout, and it means a bump up. So you're going to find out what you have to do with Coach Robin. So here she is.
Hey guys, it is Monday, so we have a new routine this week, and I'm going to tell you all about it in a second. I'm back down at the harbor today. You know, I like to switch it up. I told you that the other day. You know, just switch up where I run, you know, every day or every couple days, just to keep it interesting and keep it different. So, speaking about different, our routine today is different. Today, we are going to be walking for 1 minute and running for 3, a total of 4 minutes again, but we're going to do that 5 times. So we're back to a 20-minute workout, but we're running more than we're walking now. So this is our big switch over from more running, less walking. So remember, I just like to remind you and stress this is not a sprint. Take your time. Run at a conversational pace. Now, I know you probably aren't running with anyone right now. If you are, that's great, and I really encourage that, you know, unless you like it for your alone time. But, you know, running can be very, very social. So, you know, if you have a group of friends to do it with, great. Just be socially distanced. So just keep it at a conversational pace. And again, if you're by yourself, you know, just keep thinking about that. And now that we're doing more running than walking, I am going to do a talk this Friday, our rest day, on good form running. So I gave you little pieces of it, but this Friday I'm going to give you kind of a complete little talk on good form running. All right? So right now, just go out there and get your work done. Don't forget your warm-up exercises and then your cool down exercises when you're done. They're very, very important. All right? I'm going to get mine done. You go do yours. I'll see you when we're done. Hey guys, well, that was a great workout. So our new routine, and you guys really did well. I'm very excited for you. Great job, guys. So we have the same thing tomorrow, so you know what to do. No surprises there. So until then, I'll see you tomorrow.
Well, it wasn't so bad. It means you guys are getting better and better, which is fantastic. You guys are just moving on. So we're really proud, and we will see you tomorrow. If you do like this program, make sure you click that thumbs up button and also the subscribe button so that way you get notified whenever we put out a video, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.